Looking for an easy way to migrate IMAP emails to Office 365? In this video, we'll walk you through a simple and secure migration process using the DRS Softech IMAP migration tool. Step 1. Download and install the DRS Softech IMAP migration tool. Select IMAP migration as the source. Step 2. Choose single account or batch CSV, enter your IMAP account credentials, verify them using test connection, and click Continue. Step 3. Review the mailbox tree displaying all folders. Select the required folders for migration and click Continue to filter. Step 4. Under Email Client, select Office 365 as the destination. You can also choose other supported email clients. Step 5. Perform single, admin login via Modern OAuth 2.0 or admin impersonation, client ID, client secret, and tenant ID, while authenticating your Office 365 account. Step 6. The software displays all Microsoft 365 tenant mailboxes. Select the required mailboxes individually, in bulk, or import a CSV file for batch selection. Then click Next. Step 7. Configure the migration settings based on your requirements. You can skip previously migrated emails, apply date and advanced mail filters, remove duplicate emails, and save attachments separately. Once the settings are configured, click Next to begin the migration. Step 8. After the migration is complete, open the All Reports section from the left panel and select IMAP Migration Report to view the detailed migration report, which displays the export status. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.